And today we are making some Christmas cookies. We're getting in the Christmas spirit. It's gonna be a great time. And yeah, it's Vlogmas day 7.
Hey!
Isn't it December?
Hey. Okay, so we're gonna get started.
First we have Christmas tree, which are really cute. Oh yeah. Then I have snowman. Should we do these? These are cute. We have elf cookies too. I just watched this movie yesterday, so.
Oh my god, girl.
And then, last but not least, we
We're made
have
to be.
winter cutout cookie. Oh, winter cutout cookies.
She goes full out.
Oh my gosh, and they're holiday sprinkles too.
Oh yeah, you know it.
Guys, just so you know, I'm gonna eat a lot.
Snowman.
Yeah, same. I've never actually made these.
Oh my god, Emma.
And that is whoopsies.
What are y'all favorite Christmas songs?
Y'all.
I'm not a big Christmas song girl.
Are you kidding?
And I don't know why. I like probably a good old like under the mist.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna get so fat.
No, but it's like okay because we can because like
It's
in
like
winter
over-
you just wear like sweatshirts
Yeah.
or whatever. Oh hi.
Look, mine already chipped.
Emma.
I actually hate my nails.
Emma, do you pick at it?
No, they just chip. Hey,
Wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
And I'm feeling doesn't like it. She's feeling sad, Claire.
Oh, Emma. We have to put them in the other one.
Ellie almost just
No,
died.
do one on the top shelf, one on the bottom, and then we have to switch them halfway through. Can you show my ornaments?
Why do we have to switch them halfway through?
Oh wait,
Alright.
ready? Okay, everyone watch out. Okay, well we'll do halfway and then switch the shelves. Oh my gosh, can I do an OOTD?
Hi, Ellie. My earrings are from Forever 21. My necklace is from Brandy. My shirt is from Brandy. My leggings, I think, are like Aviva. And I wear flip-flops, so I don't have socks on.
In my bed.
Ellie, it's December.
Okay, hi, I'm Claire. Should I represent my cross necklace? Okay, this is from Aerie. It's super big and oversized. These are from. Can I help you? Why? Why is that? These are from Aviva, and these, they're probably from like Gap Kids or something. I don't know.
Gap Kids. Hey guys, I'm Emma. First I have this shirt from Brandy. Then I have sweatpants. Who knows where they're from? Then I have socks from Claire from Secret Santa last year.
Hi guys, my name is Kelly. So this is from Brady Melville. These are literally from like Amazon, I'm pretty sure. I got them for Easter last year. Do you guys get gifts for Easter?
Yeah, no, I
Okay.
get like clothes in my basket.
I don't. Yeah, so I did a little mix and match, which I never
Oh.
did. My mom is gonna see this and freak out at me because I'm supposed to throw the ones with holes out, but I just forget. Claire happens to live right next to me. Not right next to me, but pretty close.
Yeah, like 2 houses down.
These are looking literally snazzy.
They're looking fine.
Fine as heck. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers!
Okay, let's answer some questions. Someone said, "Are you hungry 24/7?" Like,
Yeah, definitely.
What is something you say a lot?
Kelly says, you say hunty. Yeah, and girly.
Can we take a minute?
Did I say that?
I usually can't relate.
I say, "Can we take a minute?"
You're like, can we take a minute?
Do I actually?
You're always like, so like, and so like this, you know?
Yeah, I know. My 4th grade teacher told me. I say LOLXD.
LOLXD.
Claire says, am I sweating?
Can you check me?
Check me, check me.
Okay, what is
My
that?
turn.
Queen.
You say queen.
You're so focused.
Alright, girlies, come in.
Right. This is
Wait, are we taking it?
Yeah.
I'm not done with mine.
Yeah, Kelly
Oh.
waits.
Can I have the white, please?
The what?
The white.
I thought you said the white.
Yeah, me too. The ice is not bad. I like it.
Yeah, I like the icing.
Cheers, I'm eating it.
Delicious.
Clink, clink. Don't, like, you're not trying to say
I'm tired. I'm running out of energy.
I'm literally
I see you, I
so full.
Okay, I was gonna separate these.
Hey, wait a minute, Mr.
There's
Okay, that's good.
Okay, can we eat them?
Yeah,
Ready? Taste test.
I'm scared. I can't do it. My mouth won't let me. I need like a carrot after this.
I know, me too.
We can get them
Can I actually have a carrot after this? Or like strawberries or like something like really good. Like spinach. I think I gained 46 pounds.
I ate a whole
Cookie
week of the house
decorating
last night.
went wrong.
Emotional.
Yeah, don't flex on us.
Wait, I'm gonna try.
I can't do it.
My thighs always kill.
I know. It's okay, play this after. Ready? Should I take a bite? Daddy's here. We have school tomorrow. What?
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give us a subscribe if you're not already. I post videos every single Sunday, but since it's Vlogmas.
It's Vlogmas.
Since it's Vlogmas, we're posting 3 times a week and me posting Friday/Saturday. It'll probably be Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Alright, follow me on Instagram. Goodbye.
Me too.